Once you've set up a meeting, you can change some additional settings. These settings enable you to choose the roles of people within the meeting and how people you've invited can join the meeting. Go to the meeting in your calendar and open it. You will see a button just above the form that wasn't available during setup, the Meeting Options button. Click on it and it will open the meeting options in a browser. You have 4 settings here. The only ones that will make a difference to your meeting are the first and last settings. The first one, who can bypass the lobby, can change how people you've invited can join the meeting. If this is set to everyone, then anyone who is invited can join the meeting directly. If you choose People in my organisation, then anyone joining the meeting who isn't using an @staffs.ac.uk email address is held in a lobby before they can join the meeting. Someone within the meeting then needs to manually let them in to the meeting. If you select Only Me, then no one can join the meeting until you let them in. Everyone else will be held in a lobby. The last setting, Who Can Present, goes beyond just setting up who can present in the meeting. More accurately, it sets up the different roles for the meeting. There are 2 roles available, presenters and attendees. Presenters have more meeting functions available to them than attendees. For example, attendees can't share their screen or present a PowerPoint, they can't take control of a presentation, they can't mute, remove or change the roles of other participants, or start or stop meeting recordings. If Who Can Present is set to everyone, then everyone in the meeting has full permissions. You then have options to limit the presenter role to just individuals within the university, to certain specific people, or to just yourself. Once you're happy with the meeting options, click Save. Your meeting options will then be confirmed and you can close the browser. Don't worry if you set this up and then need to change things in the meeting. Presenters can directly change the roles of other people within a meeting by using the Participants pane, hovering over an attendee, clicking on the More Options button that appears by their name, and then changing their role. The meeting organizer can also access the meeting options from within a meeting by clicking the More Options button at the top of the Participants pane and then the Manage Permissions button.